Whenever you start your own digital product business, there are two things which are very important. The first thing is your product, as you all of know, and second thing is your content and ads. Now your content is very important because if you cannot create viral content that is targeted to specific country, you are not going to sell any kind of products. And if you want to run ads for your business by sitting in a third world country, you need to get a specific IP address using the anti-detect browser, which can help you to target specific audience, because all of the social media accounts track your device data and your IP address. So if you are now located in that specific country, you can use this anti-detect browser, which will help you to target specific audience. If you are new to my channel, my name is Aklan and I have been doing this online business since 2018. And after doing almost every side hustle, I can say that digital product is the best business model you can start along with your day job or with your business. So here is what I am going to share in this video. What is an anti-detect browser? Which are the benefits of using it and how you can use it for content creation. Also how you can use it to run ads in different countries, and at the end I will share how you can use it for affiliate marketing as well. First of all, the whole concept is to build a digital product business through creating viral content on social media, so that this viral content can bring us a lot of followers. And after getting some followers, we can build our email list, and then we can sell high ticket products through that email list, or we can get brand sponsorships. But unless you cannot get your content go viral or you cannot reach your targeted audience, this business is useless and it will not provide you any specific results. So to target specific audience, most people use VPNs. But using VPN is not recommended because all of the websites track your data including IP address. And there is one thing which can help you in this regard, and that is an anti-detect browser. So to avoid your content by going into those countries, or if you don't want audience from that specific countries, you can use Gologin anti-detect browser, which can help you to even log in multiple accounts on a single device. Because sometimes if you are providing services to your clients, or if you are running an agency, you need to log into your client's account. This basically allows you to log in into different accounts with the single device that uses multiple countries location, which is same like sitting on a computer from another country, and you can do that from anywhere in the world. Now if you are not aware, websites usually track your IP address, where you are connecting from, and also which browser you are using. Websites also track your operating system, for example Windows, Mac or anything else, and its version. They even track your screen size and installed fonts, and also track which browser extension you have at this time. They are also able to track your system language and time zone as well. So this is how an anti-detection browser actually works. An anti-detect browser creates a unique environment for each account, making websites see it as a separate device. So it automatically changes all the key technical parameters, including browser version, operating system, screen size and display settings, because websites can no longer identify your device based on these. And also its change install extension hides or replace them so that they don't give you away. For system language and time zone, they are usually matched with the location which you have choose inside Gologin. And by using the proxies, you can change your browser location. So for content creation, as I told you earlier, to make your content go viral, you can actually use Gologin detection browser. Here is how you can actually do that. First, go to the link in description and sign up using that link. You will get a specific discount if you are going to use that link. After that, you will get a dashboard like this. Now create a profile by going here and choose the country, which is your specific country you are going to target. After choosing your country, you can select the proxy. In our case, we are going to use the Gologin proxy, and then you can create your profile. After your specific profile is created, you can click on run, and it will take some time. Now after that, you can click on view, and after that it will open the file, and now you have a completely new browser in the location you have already selected. So that is like using a normal browser. Now while creating your social media accounts, for example, if I am going to promote my digital products on Instagram, I will create a new Instagram account, and then I will follow the other creators in my niche. If you are using the Gologin, it will basically show you the accounts in your niche in these countries. That will eventually help you to rank your content better. Just engage with those accounts and also like their post. You can also comment on their post. Make sure to put your better bio inside your Instagram account. And that Instagram bio should be related to your products. What you have achieved so far and what customers or audience can get from this specific account and how they can learn from you. which is a CTA, call to action, and that should be a link in the description. That can be a free product or that can be a paid product. Now by using this specific browser, the algorithm will track your IP address and it will show your content in that specific area. And as I told you earlier, you can even use it for LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook or YouTube as well. It's like creating a social media account from anywhere in the world in that specific country, or even you can access any website that is not allowed inside your country. Now here is how you can actually get the benefit from the software for your paid ads. Now ads can be hard to manage if you are traveling, because platform can ban your ad accounts, can ban your social media accounts, because your IP address is changed every time you travel to a new destination. So this will eventually help you to manage all of your accounts in a single place using a single device. Let's say if you live in a country, for example Pakistan or India, where you can use Pioneer card to run ads in USA, Canada or Australia. You can run ads in those specific countries, but make sure you are using this specific anti-detection login. Using this anti-detection login, your IP address will be same to that specific country and your card details will be in the USD. That means there will be no red flag for the system to block your IP address or to block your account. So basically you can run ads without having the fear of account suspension or account ban. Before that, I was also running Facebook ads for my business in Australia, and whenever I traveled to my home country, my Facebook ads account got blocked. And that was due to the change in IP address while I was traveling. Now if you are running ads and if you want to run your ads smoothly, you can use this software. The last thing is you can also use this specific software for affiliate marketing, because most of the big affiliate marketing companies, for example Shopify Collab, Amazon Associate, they detect your IP address while you apply as an affiliate marketer, because many platforms require to have an audience in that specific country. So if you have audience on social media and if you are using Gologin browser, that can help you to get approved fast. And also if you have multiple social media accounts in different countries, you can use each of them to apply separately from each account as an affiliate. Now using this tool, as I told you earlier, you can also explore your competitors, which type of products they are promoting, which type of content basically they are creating, and what type of content is going viral. Because as I told you earlier, platforms usually use the IP address to track your location, and then they show you the content which is most suitable in that specific location. So using this specific anti-detection browser can help you to scale your business or manage any of your client account or any of your other accounts which you want to log in from specific locations. So if you are in all-in working space, this anti-detection browser is very crucial for your business. And you can even use your cell phone or computer to create or manage multiple accounts from a single location. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn how you can start your own data business from scratch, the video on screen will help you to start as a beginner. Make sure to like my video and subscribe my channel, and I will be back soon with more useful content. Bye bye.